Welcome back guys. And in your mobile, suppose data is on, mobile data is on from here and some sim is selected, so and your internet is not coming, then what will you do? I am going to cover 3-4 settings in this tutorial. You need to go to that settings, and after that I think your problem will be cleared, means you will solve the problem. So not wasting much of your time, please watch the entire video, especially the last setting, to get most benefit from this tutorial. The very first thing you need to check is the data uses, means your monthly or daily data limit has been consumed or not. If that is consumed, then there is no option, the internet will not come. Or you have limited some data, as you can see in your Samsung mobile under connections and then data users and then monthly billing cycles. So this is an MI mobile. In this you have to just ensure that you have data in your SIM and that SIM is selected or not. How you will check? Just go to the setting, SIM cards and mobile, and from here see for data first or second SIM. In which SIM you have the data, that SIM must be correctly selected. So this was the first thing you need to check. And the second thing is go to the settings and then go to the apps. In some setting, this is some mobile, this is app management. Here apps, in some mobile it will directly come. Here you will have to go to manage app and then select search for the app in which that app is not working. Means suppose YouTube is not working, so you have to just select here YouTube, go into YouTube, go below, and then 1 minute go to the data users, and from here this should be on. You need to check if any particular app is not working. You have to go to that app info, and then you need to check this mobile data should be on, or Wi-Fi at least one to be selected. So then after selecting this, I think that app must work. And the last and the most important setting is go to the setting and then go to the SIM card and mobile networks, and then go to that SIM for which data is on but internet is not coming. At that time go to the access point name. From here reset it once, okay, just reset it, and the default APN settings will be restored. After doing this, I think your internet data should come. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.